same. अगर वैष्णव बैठा तो और बैठ कर दे आवाज जोर आती है
Open a bit like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vaishnava Thakura Dayara Sagara Vedase Karuna Kari Vaishnava Thakura Dayara Sagara Vedase Karuna
আপনি এটা কীর্তন করুন। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ভালো।
You see here what you want here. The first line is C. Welcome.
Who is coming? In Holland?
Naveen, but you will be here at 1 o'clock only.
রাধা কৃষ্ণ প্রাণ মূর যুগল কিশোর রাধা কৃষ্ণ প্রাণ মূর যুগল কিশোর জীবনে মরণে গতি আর নাহি মূর জীবনে মরণে গতি রাধা কৃষ্ণ প্রাণ যুগল কিশোর
आप लोग कैसे ठीक हो? How are you? Okay, good. Huh? Okay. Going where? Just now. Huh? You study where? You did not come class? Oh.
No, we came after work. I think late evening.
Late evening.
We don't go.
No problem, don't worry.
Okay. Good. Jerry. Huh? Good.
One Sunday, please.
एक सुंदर कहते हैं गौरांग बोली थे बोलो कैसे लिखा ब्रजजन माना अच्छा
Oh, you want to sing Golanga with Happy? Okay, she's going Golanga with Happy. 86.
ये माइक दे दे
86.
और आप सब ठीक हो?
গৌরাঙ্গ বলিতে হবে পুলক শরীর হরি হরি বলিতে না অনে বহে নীর আর কবে নিতাই চাঁদে
Yes, you sing. You can sing. Which one? Is the nice singer in Holland?
Ali Mohalagi.
আপনি কীর্তন করতে পারেন নি? আচ্ছা, আপনি সব করতে পারেন, সব লজ্জা করছে।
Ali Mohalagi Vrindavanani ko.
Ali Mohalagi Vrindavanani ko. Ali Mohalagi Vrindavanani ko. Lage Vrindavanani ko. Sati Mohalagi Vrindavanani ko.
हाँ और কি কীর্তন করবে
Just stand it off first and then just stand it off first.
ওকে দিছেন ব্রজের জন্য মনে আছে
The volume on the top. Yeah, that's it.
श्री राधे ब्रज जनमना सुखकारी राधे श्यामा श्यामा श्री राधे ब्रज जनमना सुखकारी राधे श्यामा श्यामा
Shri Radhe
Radhe
কি হবে? হ্যাঁ, जय श्री सुगंधिका विधारी सृष्टि तथा विनोद बिहारी जीव की जय श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय नित्य लीला पृष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाथ भक्ति वेदांत श्रीवामन गोस्वामी महाराज की जय नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की प्रज्ञान केशव चंद्र गोपाद की रूपानी गोपी गोवर्धन श्री गिरिराज महाराज की राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड ललिता आदि सुखी वृंद की जय श्री रूप मंजरी रति मंजरी अनुमंजरी विलास मंजरी रमन मंजरी सुख वृंद हरिनाम संकीर्तन गौर प्रेमानंद আপনার ঘরে সব সমস্ত দেশের লোক এসে গেছে, সারা পৃথিবী এসে গেছে। হ্যাঁ দেখছেন, সব এসে গেছে কিনা? কোথা থেকে এসে? সব দেশ, ব্রাজিল থেকে এসে গেছে। হ্যাঁ, और इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, আপনি তো বাংলাদেশে আছেন, फ्रांस, जर्मनी, हॉलैंड, एवरीबॉडी, वेल्स, फ्रांस, इटाली,
Lithuania.
এইটুকু ঘরের মধ্যে সব কটা দেশ হয়ে গেল? 10টা দেশ হয়ে গেছে। ওম জ্ঞানতিমিরান্ধ্রস্য জ্ঞানাঞ্জনশলাকয়া চক্ষুর্মিলিतं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश कांत राधाकांत नमस्ते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी ओम वृंदा वै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ता विहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै गदगदयाद्वाचा जाचिनी पत्ते भुवि दण्डवदुर्भटार्ते अस्य प्रसादमुदस्य जनस्य कृत्वा गन्धर्विके निजगणे गणनां विधे अंगश्यामलविछटा मन्दिकृतेन्द्रीवरं जड्डं जाचो गुणरोचिषं पट्टम्बरस्य बिन्दारननिवासमिदुलसद्दामदिदामोदरं राधास्कन्द निवेशलोज्जलो भुजं ध्यायं सुदामोदरं तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना इति विज्ञाय ते राधे तं नयामि चरणान्तिके। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasi Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gurundev Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Rakas Siddhar Goswami Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all of us. So we are very happy. Come your house, Premananda Prabhu.
We are very happy to
Huh?
see you here.
Prema Manjari Devi Dasi, very nice, beautiful. So much love and affection all with you. With me also, no?
We are
So,
fortunate
huh?
today. We are fortunate and that's why we got
So
here.
just I want to speak few words. श्रीमद् भागवत गीता कृष्ण से जन्म कर्म च में दिव्यं जो व्यक्ति तत्तरः. One who realize my birth and activities, then after his death he will attain my abode and will not again take birth in this material world. In Mahabharata, very nice, beautiful one story I tell to you. You know, most of you know about the history of Mahabharatam. Mahabharata means Maha means great, Bharat means India. So that is called Mahabharatam, the great of India. In Mahabharata, there is one story. After the battlefield of Kurukshetra, how many days was going their fight in the battlefield of Kurukshetra? How many days? 18th days. Ashtadasha. 18 दिन युद्ध. Then a result is coming after 18th days. Then result has come. Kaurav, all they died in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. And also Pandavas, they also and conquer, they return back their kingdom Hastinapur. Then Yudhishthira Maharaj, now he is the king of Hastinapur. Then Vidur, he returned back from his Tirtha Jatra during the Kurukshetra battlefield. That time Vidur, he went out for Tirtha Jatra. He returned back. Now Yudhishthira Maharaj, he is the king of Hastinapur. But still, Gandhari and Dhritarashtra staying in Hastinapur. Then Vidurji, he told to Dhritarashtra, why are you staying here? And actually, you are the root cause of to destroy your own dynasty. कुरुवंश के ध्वंस के कारण कौन है? कौन? Dhritarashtra. Because Dhritarashtra completely what? Elucidated with Maya. And not only he was the blind with eyes, he also completely blind with the love and affection with his sons, especially Duryodhana. Andhasya. Completely blind with the love and affection with his son Duryodhana. So for this regard, the result has come. So this, so Vidur he told, why you are staying here? You know everything. And you have your son Duryodhana, Dushasan. They made many kinds of disturbance to the Pandavas and put fire in their house. Duryodhana, Dushasan, Shokuni, they put the fire in the house of Pandavas. And Duryodhana, Dushasan, they also tried to kill to Bhim and gave some poison in their food. Duryodhana, Dushasan, they tried to naked to Draupadi, that is Draupadi Vastraharan. Not only this, Duryodhana, Dushasan also took their everything's land with everything's, and that is called the to gambling, the what is called Pasate, with the
Just gambling dice.
These things. But still you are here, completely are shameless. You know everything. Many times I also told you, but you did not listen. Now everything is completely what? You should go out from the Hastinapur and you have to perform your prashchitta. Prashchitta, understand?
Repentance. Purification.
Purification your heart. You go to the forest. Otherwise, and you will go to the hell. So in this way, he told many advice. Then Dhritarashtra and Gandhari, they left Kurukshetra. Then came in Badrikashram, top of the Himalaya, in the Badrikashram. And they also met with Krishnandra Ipan, Veda Vasudev Goswami. And they took also, that is called Prapaja, that means Banprastha. And these things. And they were staying in this forest of Badrikashram, very close to Vasudev Goswami, listen Hari Katha, and perform bhajan and sadhana. So one day, Dhritarashtra, he asked one question to Vasudev Goswami. So Vasudev, you tell to me, in my life, I did not commit any sinful activities. मेरे जीवन में कोई पाप कर्म नहीं किया. I did not perform any sinful act. Even I am remembering my 7th birth, How many births? 7 births, sapta janma. I did not perform any sinful active karma. Papa karma I did not perform. So why I now become blind, and also my 100 sons, they died in front of me. एक नहीं, कितने बच्चे मर गए? 100 बच्चे हमारे सामने ही मर गए. Now I complete blood penniless also. Why? What is my karma? That time Dasdev Goswami told, hey Dhritarashtra, listen, this is true. This life or 7 births, you did not perform any bad karma or sinful activities too. But I tell you, after 7 births, that means 8th janam birth, you committed one kind of sinful activities. For this reaction, now has come. Well, what is that? That time Vasudev Goswami told, listen, Dhritarashtra, the root of the karma is very, very deep. You cannot believe the root of the karma. कर्म की जड़ कहाँ चलता है? Where is going? No can understand. Karmana gahana gati. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says to Arjuna this thing. Karmana gahana gati. Where is the karma is going? No one can understand. In this material world, the trees root going how many meters? 5, 10, 15 meters, 20 meters, not more than this. But the root of karma की जड़ समझते हो? Root. Where is going? Who knows? Not only this, the root of karma also spread everywhere, here and there. As like the trees, first one root coming, that is sprout. And then going down, then that root also manifested thousand roots. And so where is going, who knows? But the root of karma, no one can understand. Where is going, and when that the root of karma will again manifest, who knows? Maybe just to give an example, maybe you have seen that tree, root is going, then after a few meters, then again another tree also coming. Then you can go after few meters, then another tree comes. Who is the original tree? Sometimes you cannot recognize. If you go botanical garden, there is a banyan tree, but which is the original tree? Very difficult to understand. Huge tree. Which is the origin? Look, this one. Actually, this is coming from this root. In the same way, our karma fall is coming this way. Root karma, jod, the root of karma going. Then where the fruits, where the tree is coming, who knows? And when it will be manifest, who knows? That is no necessary. Today, if you perform one karma, that fruits will come, good or bad. That is not necessary. Any time, any years, any moment, any life, that fruits of karma will come. For this regard, Krishna says, Karmanne vadikaraste ma phalesu kadachana. You may perform your karma, you have right to perform karma. But the karma phal, the fruit of karma, I will give. Well, when this karma will come, who knows? No one can understand this. Everything depends on Krishna, Bhagavan. So now Vasudev Goswami Pad, he told, I tell you, which birth? Which birth? Eighth birth. अष्टम जन्म की कथा मैं बताता हूँ. 7 जन्म में तुम तो पाप नहीं किया, ठीक है. तुम्हारे 8वां जन्म की जो है उस कथा को मैं बताता हूँ. 8th birth, your karma 19. And that time, you, once you went in the forest, and now that birth you were one prince, Rajkumar. You were born in prince. Rajkumar हो गए तुम जन्म ले, prince. And once you went in the forest to hunting the animals, beasts. And then enter in the deep forest and chasing behind one deer. Running. Then the deer disappear. You could not find out. And then you were running here and there. And deep forest. And we could not find out where is the path, how to come out. In the meantime, darkness comes. And also rain coming. And that time also you complete were wet, bigger. And your body start to sick. You are feeling so much cold. That and you have become very hungry. You are running here and there. Then you came one place, very nice place, and sitting in there. After a few hours, then when rain stopped, and that time you thinking, how will come out from this forest? And you are very hungry also. In the meantime, one bird saw your activities. That bird was thinking, oh, this person he is our guest. And that time that bird, he also flew very far and brought some dry wood and falling down one by one in front of you. And that time also that bird, he brought one burning stick and put it. Then fire coming, and that time he also, क्या बोलते हैं? Heat by your body. This. But that time you are very hungry. That time you are thinking, what will do now? Then the bird, he was thinking, oh, he's my guest. He's hungry. But now about dark, sunset already. How my guest will stay here? Then that bird, he thinking, I can sacrifice my life for him. Then that bird fell down in the burning fire. Then bird's body completely burned, and that time you took the bird and ate the flesh. But the flesh is what? Little, maybe not more than 100 grams. You are hungry, but if you little bit, then more you are hungry. And that time you ate the bird. That time you think, where is the more food? That time you saw in the top of the branch of the tree, same bird's nest. And that the nest had 100 baby birds child in there. And they have come out from the eggs. They have no open their eyes. That they were blind. And that time you took all the 100 birds from the nest and put in the fire. And you ate that the baby birds. Then the soul of the bird, he gave curse to you. Remork, friends. And I sacrifice my life for you. I was thinking you are my guest. Now you are completely demon. You completely are destroyed my families. My dynasty completely destroyed. And I am giving curse to you. That word. He gave curse to you. You will be suffered. And in front of you, when your son will be die. And you have to become also blind. Because my birds, my babies, not open their eyes. So in the same way, you have to become blind. Vasudev Goswami Pad told him, Maharaj, Dhritarashtra, for this regard, now you are blind also. And in front of you, your 100 sons, child, they die. This is the karma. Mahabharatam explaining things. Mahabharata very clearly and elaborately explain how this our karma is going in this way. So now how we free from all the karma? Because our scriptures explain this way. If you have karma, good or bad, both, punna or papena, punnena. In your papa karma or punna karma, you have to wandering the same cycle of repeated birth and death. Pap or punna karma द्वारा हमारा इस संसार में घूर्चे. We are wandering the same cycle of repeated birth and death according to our previous fruit of action, karma. Sometimes you are going heaven, higher planets, and sometimes you are going lower planets. Kabhu sarge, kabhu marte, kabhu das prabhu. Sometimes you are going heaven, sargaloka, and we become king of heaven, Indra. Or sometimes we are going to hell, narak. Because karma is going on this way, sometimes good karma, sometimes bad karma, papa karma. So papena punnena, papa and punya karma, all we are one the same cycle of coming in this way, going this way. So now question is, how will we free from all kinds of karma? Na dharmang shrutigana nrityam kila kuru braje radha krishna paricharja mehatano. Our Raghunath Das Goswami in Manasiksha he explained this verse. Na dhana na dharmam na adharmam. I will not perform any dharma or I cannot perform any adharma. That means no papa karma and no punya karma. So what will do? Braje Radha Krishna Paricharja Mihatana. Always you absorbed in Braj and remembering past tense of Krishna and Srimati Radhika. This is the process. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So maybe your question will come. Just I also will. Na dharmang shrutigana nrityam kula kiru braje radha krishna prachura paricharja mihatanu sachisana nandis sarapati sudatte guruvaram mukunda prashtate smara parama ajasa nanu manha. Our Raghunath Das Goswami, he composed this verse that is called Manasiksha. What is it? Na dharmang na dharmang shrutikana nittam kilo kuru. Shruti, Vedas, and Upanishad, Smriti Shastra, and also explain different tattva. And Vedas also discuss about three things. And karma. Are you okay? Good? Okay. You come right time now. Very good.
Squeeze in a little bit more.
Are you okay? Good?
I'm okay. How are you, Kurdev?
Good. So, na dharmam, na dharmam. You should not perform any karma. Not good karma and bad karma. Adharma. Which mentioned or explained in our Vedas or Upanishad. Because I told you, if you do karma, the karma reaction automatically will come. Or you have to suffer or enjoy. So again and again you will come in the same cycle of repeated birth and death. And maybe again your question will come, without performing karma, how can I maintain my life? If somebody say, I am not doing karma, one who says I am not doing karma, he is a great liar. कर्म सबको करना पड़ता है? We are taking breath or not? सांस लेते हैं नहीं लेते? This is karma. Without taking breath, you cannot live. So karma. Or when you taking the breath, you don't know how many insects going in your body, and they also die. If you cook anything, many kinds of insects, they are also dying or not? रसोई बनाते हो कि नहीं? क्या बनाते हो? Nothing will die. When you walk, you also killed many kinds of insects. You did not see. Many small, that is called that. Ants, they die. You pressed your feet or not? They die. You have no right to kill to someone. Mahimsa. You should not kill to anyone. So this karma is coming. Knowingly, unknowingly, we also perform many kinds of karma. Many people say, okay, you are Vaishnava, you are not eating meat, fish, but you are eating potato or not? You are eating also, what is called, the creeper? Lal sak? Kach katte ki?
Spinach?
Spinach, they think, what is called?
Lal sak.
अरे लाल sak, क्या बोलते हैं?
English में लाल sak को क्या बोलते
Bengal vegetables हो गए.
Red color.
हैं? Oh, red spinach.
They are also twins and going this way. Within couple days, very quickly also growing up. And that time we're taking one sword and cutting. They have no life or not there? Many people they will ask this question also. Okay, we are non-veg, you are veg, but you also we are saying, oh, should not kill. So animals this. But you also killed the potato. And after 3-4 days you can put, then potato is also automatically what? New trees come inside. So that means inside life is there. That is everywhere. So you also kill. Eh? You cut the spinach. Eh? Cutting. Eh? Sack. Eh? Palak sack. You know palak? Spinach. There. Many people also asking these things also. And also our scriptures explain jivasya jiva bhakshanam. One living entities maintain his life to killing other living entities. Yeah, this is the nature. You can see everywhere. Eh? Ants, they are eating small insects. Then, and birds, small birds also eating the ants. Then eagle kill the bird. Then what is coming?
Tiger, lion.
Then another bird kill. And then hunt. Then also kill another. You can see everybody is worried kill to, and one animals to kill to another animal. One bird to kill this. Huh? Yeah?
Food chain.
Food chain. Going on this way. So for this regard, our scriptures also explain this way. Jivasya jiva bhakshanam. One living entities and maintain his life to kill other living entities. This is the thing. And if you kill someone, that karma automatically comes. So for this you are wondering. So Arjuna asked this question. Hey Krishna, tell to me. So how will you free from karma? And when we have karma, then automatically you have to suffer the action of our karma. जब तक कर्म रहेगा, कर्मों के भोग करने के लिए हमें इस संसार में बार बार आना जाना पड़ेगा. आना जाना समझ तो again and again, coming and going. Holland, England, Holland. You come from Holland, again return back, England to Holland to England. Coming. And also just they also put the stamp. We have no need stamp, just they put them. Or Indian passport, the stamp. Coming, how many times? I am saying this way. So Arjuna asked this question: how will we free from the action of karma? Then Krishna told, it is very clear. We explain. Jat kurusi, jadhusi, jadasi, jat tapasi kunta tat kurusa mat arpanam. What people will do? All the fruits, karma fall, you offer to me. Jat kurusi, jadhusi, jadasi, jat tapasi kunta tat kurusa mat arpanam. What people will do? All the fruits fall, you offer to me. You have to eat, so you have to cook. And that thing is offered to Lord. If you offer to Lord, then you free from all the fruit action. This is simple. Maybe those who are non-veg, those who are eating fish, meat, they will ask, so we can offer to feed a fish, meat to Lord, so you can free from the karma? Well, no. Bhagavan, he says this way, again also Krishna told, here you listen. And 3 kinds of food. Kitne prakar? What is that? Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. Sattvic food, Rajasic food and Tamasic. So you have to offer to me which food? Sattvic. Ahara suddhai, chitta suddhai dhruvano smrito, smriti labdhe brahma. Upanishad also explains this. You have to eat which food? Sattvic food. The food of goodness. Food of goodness. Sattvic ahar. One who takes sattvic food, then automatically his brain will be sattvic. Ahara siddha chitta suddhi. Or chitta suddhi, dhruvano smrito. If your heart is neat and clean, mind is neat and clean, then you can meditate to Lord. If you eat the tamasic or rajasic, tamasic, there is a mood of ignorance. And this food is called ignorance. And you cannot concentrate to Lord. So for this regard, in our Shastra, Ved, Puran, Upanishad explain, you should not eat tamasic food. Because tamasic food you cannot offer to Lord. Lord will not accept. Meat, fish, these things. You love your son. So fish, they have also some small baby. So how possible fish will be happy? You cannot cut your baby. So how possible cut it? In Bengal, we saw they are taking the big fish and put, and they are throwing the, what is called skin, and put the salt. Understand? Alive. If you go internet, you can see how the cruel, big fish, cleaning all the, what is it called? Cook. And they are suffering. And not only this, also they put the salt, and all the body is shaking, crying. Understand? And then they put the, what is it called? The boiling oil, then put. Then fish, and completely fried. माछ भाजते हैं ना, माछ भाजा. How they are cruel. Then they eating. Not only this, there are the Brahmanas. They also sacrifice the goat in front of Kali. They are saying, hey Devi Kali, you are universal mother, Jagat Janani. What is it? Jagat Janani. Universal mother. And sacrifice the goat. So this goat is not belongs to Devi Kali. How possible Devi Kali, she will be happy to drinking her and there is blood. How people are completely what? Innocent. And what is called? What is superstition coming? Kusanskar. Bad impressions coming. And Brahmanas, they also doing these things. Because Shastra also saying, they also show to you, oh, here they saying, Chagabali. Boli means is you are not to sacrifice. Boli means to sacrifice your lust and anger. বকরি বা ছাগ বলি কি তাৎপর্যটা কি? নিজের কাম ক্রোধকে বলি দাও। একটা ছাগলকে নিয়ে কেটে দিলে বলি দিলে। Or you are saying, hey Devi, you are universal mother. So this goat, she not belongs to the son or daughters of Devi Kali. How people are completely innocent and stupid nonsense. Listen, so for this regard, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, you should not offer to Lord tamasic food. Ahara siddhi, you have to offer to Lord sattvic food. This is important. And then you can take, then you will free from all kinds of sinful activities. So, in this way, our Raghunath Das Goswami in Manasik na dharmang na dharmang sudugan niruttam kilo kuru braje radha krishna prachura porichajya mehtano sachi sunanandiswara pati sudatte guruvaram mukunda prashtatte smara parmajasana numana. My mind always you absorb in Braj Lila Katha. Govinda Damodara Madhavete Govinda Damodara Madhavete Govinda Damodara Madhavete Govinda Damodara Madhavete Krishna He Yadava He Sakhete Govinda Damodara Article Bhasta. In Srimad Bhagavata, one very nice, beautiful story. Sukdev Goswami Pad told Parikshit Maharaj. There was one king, his name was Surat. Surat Raja Katha. Surat Raja naam sune jo? Bhagavati Katha ache. Surat Raja. King Surat. In his life, he also performed fire sacrifice with goat. They got Chag Boli. Chag Boli, Chag means goat. He sacrificed the goat. He took vow, in my life, I will sacrifice 100 goat for sacrifice. Chag Boli. Then in this way, 99, he sacrificed the goat for sacrifice. Then last one is going in this way. And in front of Devi Kali. And because you're thinking this is my last, then after my death, I will go heaven. Sargaloka. Circus. Vedas many places also glorified this way. If you do these things, then you will go to heaven. And Vedas also doing because karma kanda. Vedas, 3 things are there. 3 sections. One is called karma kanda, another is called jnana kanda, another is called bhakti kanda. But what Bhaktivinoda Thakur, jnana karma kanda, jnana kanda, kebala visera bhanda, amrit boliya je khai. Nana jani bhrami mare पदार्थ भक्षण करे तार जन्म अधोपति जाए. भक्ति नौतम दास ठाकुर प्रेम भक्ति चंद्र कर्मकांड ज्ञान कांड केवल विषय भांड. कर्मकांड and ज्ञान कांड, this is called full of poison, and people are thinking this is the nectar, and they do. So कर्मकांड ज्ञान कांड केवल विषय भांड अमृत बोलिया देखा कदर्च भक्षण करे नाना जनी भ्रमी मरे. In this way, karma kanda, gyan kanda, and they actually wanting the many pieces of living entities and going this way, and then going to down, going to the hell. So now coming in this way, just as King Surat, he performed 99 Shagbali Jagga. Shagbali means goat for sacrifice. 99 finished. Then last one he is going on. Then when he is going on, then last, that time. And that time, that the goat start to laughing. Ha 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 ha. The goat laugh. The goat laughing. That why he is laughing? Ole Murkh, foolish. Do you know? You are killing to me. Then next life you will become also goat. Then I will kill to you. Karma fall. This is going on. This life you are killing. Next life you will kill. You will be killed. Ha ha ha. But how possible? Yes. And they asked to Devi. Then Devi manifest. Devi told, "Is it true?" And that time Devi told to King Surat, "Listen, you are saying to me, who am I? Jagat Janani." Jagat Janani means universal mother. So this goat, is he not my son? So how possible I will be happy? Drink the blood of the goat. Mother does not drink the blood from his son. How possible? Then King Surat, very humble, asked to Devi, how will free from this all sinful activity? It's completely elucidated by Maya. And these Brahmanas, they insist me also. King Surat, if you do this karma kand, for this I did this. So what will do now? And that time Devi calls you, okay, we do bhajan and sadhan to Lord Govinda. Mukti dadati jasa iti mukunda. Oh no, first he did not believe it. Then by the mercy of Devika, then he saw that all the 100 years, the 99 goats are coming and try to kill to him. Then he afraid and completely surrendered to the feet of Devika. Then Devika told, okay, do bhajan sadhan to Lord Mukunda. Mukti dadasi jasa iti mukunda. The mukti, only who will give the liberation? How to free from all kinds of karma? Only taking shelter, lotus feet of Mukunda. Yes? For this regard, our Govinda Das also saying this way. Bhajahu re mana Srinandanandana Abhaya Charana Ravindare Bhajahu re mana Srinandanandana জয় শ্রী আপনারা সকলে ভজন করুন, হরি ভজন, ঠিক আছে? গোবিন্দের ভজন করুন। এই হ্যাঁ
Maharaj, why did Kali not tell Surat Maharaj to stop the sacrifice? Why did
আমাকে লেট
she wait for
400
why 99?
वो तब दिया जाता है जब सरेंडर होता है। अब मैं आरती करने के लिए बोला आप क्यों नहीं गए? अब तक बताओ क्या हैं?
ज्ञान
नहीं दे रहा कोई बात है हैं? How are you? Okay, good. गोपी गोपी अरे बैठ कर खड़े भी नहीं करते हैं। यशोमती नंदनम Radha श्री श्री राधा विनोद बिहारी जी